Hello, my dear students of class 7. We are going through our lesson 1, The Book of Nature, written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Today, I am going to start with our activities. Activity 1. Underline the appropriate alternatives. That means you have to underline the proper word that goes with the sentence. A. India is in fact a small part of the earth surface. That means though India is a big country, but it's a small part of the earth's surface. B. Once upon a time that was too hot for any living beings to survive. Go through your lesson, the first part of our lesson, you will find that line. Once upon a time that was too hot for any living being to survive. C. Fossils are the remains of old living being. You will also find this line. You will find this line also in our part 1 of lesson 1. Activity 2. Answer the following questions in complete sentences. You have to answer these questions. A. What must we do to know about the tale of this world? Look at my exercise book. We must read books to know about the tale of the world. That means we have to read a lot of books if we want to know about the history of the world, about the tale of the world. Question number B. How old is our earth? Our earth is millions and millions of years old, as we all know. Our earth is millions and millions of years old. C. Who roamed the earth before the arrival of human beings? Animals roamed on the earth before the arrival of the human beings. When the earth was created, at the first time, the earth was very hot, and it was too hot, so hot that no human being or no living being could exist in it. And when time passes and it becomes cold, and then first of all the animals roamed on the earth. That means animals started living on this earth, or animals roamed on the earth before the arrival of human beings. Activity 3. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the text. The first letter of the words are given. As a subject, H is given. History is quite interesting. B. We have good relations with our neighboring C countries. C. Plants need air, water and sunlight to grow. Can you imagine how big the universe is? E. You should, S is given here, study regularly if we want to be a good student. Then comes activity 4. Make meaningful sentences with the following words. A. Interest. Anil has immense interest in cricket. That means Anil is very interested in cricket. Surface. The surface of the ground is uneven. Surface means the upper part of anything. The surface of the ground is uneven. C. Inhabited. Dinosaurs inhabited the earth millions of years ago. Together we can change the world. Scientist. I want to become a scientist. That is activity 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Please go through the class again and again and follow your textbook. It will be easier for you. Thank you.